Well, this morning we were holding the Glasgow Business Embassy, Glasgow Chamber of Commerce warm-up breakfast for the very last time, looking today at the legacy of the Commonwealth Games.
I was asked to talk about my experience of the Games, but also my role within Glasgow City of Science and how we're trying to transform the city's identity, not only as a city of culture and place and now sport, but also a city of science and innovation.
Well, it was a great pleasure to be here today, very last day of the Games, and I was talking about how to make sure that the maximum legacy is delivered from the Games, and I worked for 5 years in the London 2012 Olympics, so we were talking about all the learning that had taken place from London and also all the great things that have happened in Glasgow.
The regeneration has been completed, and we're now looking forward to launching us into the next chapter of Glasgow's social and business history.
I'm a new business owner, so for me it's just been fantastic. It's been a great opportunity to welcome people to the city.
It will never be the same. There will be pre-2014 and post-Glasgow 2014. I think it's a transformative moment for this city.
There hasn't been something of this scale in Glasgow for decades, and the opportunity that we've had as a place to do business, as a place to invest and a place to trade from, and highlighting, celebrating in fact, all of the assets that Glasgow has to offer to the world.